Tata Communications has a significant role to play as it relates to digital transformation. And I really look at our offerings and our products, and this puts us really at the core of this change. And it's sometimes when you think about this, there's many elements in which the digital transformation is impacting our carriers, our enterprise customers, frankly even us internally and how we deliver our services. And so it starts to, in some cases, become a bit complicated. Now, when we've really looked at our offerings and the market, we put these two things together in what we call our customer themes. And that really starts to give us a lens in how we're starting to think about the digital transformation journey, and then our value propositions into or enabling digital transformation. And so when we think about the first one, this notion of borderless growth, being able to go to new markets or be able to reach your existing markets in a different manner, in a digital way, is a cornerstone for us. This is our global network. This is an asset that very few, if any, have as we have. That's an enabler that can help our clients grow with digital products and in a borderless manner. And again, a lot of investments that we're putting in there to enable that. Then the second theme that we look at that digital transformation is driving significantly is this notion of productivity and efficiency. This could be in the case of, again, delivering digital products, but it's also in driving efficiencies at a corporate level, like a full organization, and lowering the total cost of ownership, let's say for IT infrastructure, going to different variants and forms of outsourcing, but also then at the individual level. How can I make that individual seller or the individual manager or manufacturing engineer more productive? And again, we have investments such as unified communications that is an enabler to drive productivity at the individual level and certainly more broadly across an organization. And then we see digital change or digital transformation also impacting the customer experience. And there's been a lot of innovation being done in the market of how I can create a better experience or deliver new services in a different way to improve that customer experience. Again, we have a lot of capabilities that can enable our customers to reach out to their clients, anywhere, on any device, at any time, to enable them to have a richer experience with their end customer. Again, we have a lot of value in offering there as well. And then this last area with digital transformation that is really on everyone's mind is risk. And we see the cyber threat, and we see the notion of all the security and the viruses and those things that are out there. And we've made a lot of investments to really amplify our capabilities on the security front, and then more broadly manage risk. And we think it in one way of the risk from a security lens, but it's also on a redundancy, business continuity lens as well. So the critical importance that we have as we see our customers changing, becoming more digital, then the criticality of that infrastructure always being there and available is really tied into that notion of managing risk. And we've done a great job in having the right sets of partnerships with the right sets of diversity in our offering, that we can be confident in the level of risk that we can manage, both from a security lens or a business continuity lens. And so you really start to see the landscape really widen quite a bit, and how much digital transformation is impacting all the elements of the business. And what I feel really great about is that we have this structure and this framework that we can articulate our value proposition to our customers through certainly a lens that they're experiencing. So if you go and talk to a business leader or a technology leader, they understand that they need to grow globally, and this notion of borderless growth. There's this drive and understanding that they have to be more productive, they have to be more efficient within their business for the whole organization and also at the individual level. That's understood. Managing risk as well and building out a better customer experience. And so what we're really doing is tying ourselves into these natural, let's say, customer themes, and really then pulling forward all of our value from our services and our products and our capability that enables that transformation to happen with and for our customers. So as you can see, we have a tremendous set of capabilities that will address directly the digital change, the digital transformation that our customers are going through. Now it's incumbent on every one of us, one is to really understand what that customer lens is, what their challenges are, their issues are, But as important is that we've got to really understand what our offerings are. And our job is really to put these things together and that we can deliver value to our customers. And this is really at the core of their change. And this is a strategic contribution to their business and really a value differentiator for us when we can really bring those two things together.